G'day, here's a parcel of small pieces of rough Boulder Opal from various fields. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. I'm not going to go through every piece here, but suffice it to say, there's some nice pieces amongst it. There's probably find a bit of rubbish as well. I haven't sorted through each piece. Just going through them as I talk to you now. That piece was a bit of lightning ridge, I think. Lots of little pieces, cut little stones. The black on that's the permanent marker. There's a little stone that's been rejected. This is very old material, so what was rejected back, this is probably 30-40 year old material. It's all getting reclaimed these days. Anyway, I think that gives you a bit of an idea. It's a bit of a random pick. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.